If you've been searching for how to shadowban an X account or a Twitter account, here's the important truth right away. You cannot manually shadowban another person's account. On X, what people call a shadowban is actually an automated visibility restriction that the platform applies itself. That means no user, and no regular account owner, can go in and press a button to shadowban somebody else. In this video, I'll clear up the confusion, explain what shadowbanning really means on X, and show you the real action you can take if you want to stop someone from seeing your content or interacting with you. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, understand what shadowbanning means. On X, it usually refers to reduced visibility. That can mean a post is harder to find in search, replies may not show up as prominently, or an account's reach may be limited by automated systems. This is not something you manually apply to another user. It is handled by X's own moderation and ranking systems based on platform rules, behavior signals, and spam detection. So if your goal is to control another person's access to your profile, the correct feature to use is not shadowban. The correct feature is block. Blocking someone on X prevents them from following you, seeing most of your content while logged in, replying to you in the normal way, or directly interacting with your account. To do that, open the profile of the person you want to restrict, then tap or click the three-dot menu on their profile. From the options that appear, select Block. X will ask you to confirm the action, and once you do, that account will be blocked immediately. This is the safest and most direct way to stop unwanted interaction. If you do not want to fully block someone, you may also have other options like muting them, which hides their posts from your timeline, without notifying them in the same way a block might affect visibility. But, if your goal is to keep someone from engaging with you, or viewing your posts as easily, block is the feature you want. It's also important to remember that because X controls shadowbanning automatically, there is no legitimate manual setting, secret menu, or hidden tool that lets you shadowban another account. If you see apps or websites claiming they can do that for you, be very cautious, because they may not be trustworthy. The best approach is to use X's built-in safety tools and let the platform handle moderation on its side. So, to recap, you cannot manually shadowban someone on X because visibility filtering is automated by the platform itself. But if you want to stop someone from interacting with you, go to their profile and block them. That's the real solution. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.